Hey, good morning, vlog world. Welcome to Skylife TV. I'm Melica Skylife. Yeah, so this morning is a bleaky morning. I wake up earlier than yesterday. And I'm heading to the road to get a drink. Yo, I'm ready. So I'm gonna eat. I eat nuggets and sausage and plantain this morning. I'm gonna eat. I put that with my little ketchup and my little pepper. I like mix my ketchup and pepper together. Yeah. And thing. And that's what I ate this morning for breakfast. I'm gonna have you see the view again. You know, so hot this morning because the time bleak as Mr. Rain and fall. I want to go fishing one of the in the air, you know. But I can't go fishing by myself. Yeah, I'm supposed to go fishing, but not by myself, yo. So I'm going to look taxi him father, they go bring him. I tell him, I just try to go down there. So, damn, my face look good this morning. Cool and clean. So, Punky Skylife, big up yourself anyway, you're there. King Skylife, big up yourself. Chantel Skylife, big up yourself. Yo, you're gonna see my Skylife family, yo. Cherry Skylife, that's a mommy. Mommy Skylife. And things. So I'm walking to the road now. Damn, I got a beautiful smile. Damn. So, yeah, follow me on Snapchat. A Punky Snapchat me use, Punky Skylife. So I'm gonna link that so you can follow us on Snapchat. Because we have some story time to drop on it and things. Cross the road. So if we cross the road, you know. Things. You turn around, look how close with the TC. Keep beach right this one. The darky. Gotta get some good lighting. Oh, come on, that's one. See beach right this one. Should be turn to light, I don't know if my face is good. Funny seashore. Dusty Berry, big up yourself. This morning I was watching the Dusty Berry show and it was hype. The Dusty Berry show was hype. I was watching it this morning. And one of the things that they talk about is Marvin from Mobile. Well, I don't know, but nobody could have danced with me to a party. And I danced at a war. I'm going to go on a party for war. But I look taxi, I don't want to remember late for work. So I'm going to look a drive and I'll vlog later. So Skylife TV, big up on yourself. Get that view. 360. Bam! What's up, vlog world? You know it's Melica Skylife. Welcome to Skylife TV. Yeah, we just done mash up a box food. That's my girl Tamika. What you have to say? Yeah. So big up Skylife. Yeah. Oh, tear up. No. What is it?
Chabas friend. I was gonna say. Yes.
Chabas, you see that we are talking about you, we need the video them. Or else we have to go look for you.
Chabas, I'm so pissed at you. Seriously pissed at you. I've been watching your videos like over and over and over and over again.
Chabas, tell me the truth. You take some time off to go deal with Diane and make you get a baby, I don't know. You need to tell me the truth so we know what is what, so we get like your space and like your time. I go and watch Lincoln Tree that thing. I go and roll up the things here and things here, me. And thing.
Chabas, if I name one maternity leave.
A maternity leave, Chabas. You need to make we know so we know what we are do. Right? Come a big video. I want to fight you. Alright, fam. Chabas, if I say that. Fam.
Oh.
Yeah, so we are doing the Skylife TV. Tamika Skylife.
Oh.
Look in our box. Sorry, say I couldn't mince up. And she must song Bona Duplex. I cool to switch for rest that. I bone them. On a regular basis, more than chop, I bone them fine still. But today is not a chop there. Yeah, go on, build with this straw. But I can't wait to go with Miss Punky, you know. Punky Skylife. Man, don't big up yourself. In a real life. Anywho, lunchtime I'm on. And maybe my vlog later when I go home. I'm not promising, you know. Because I have some business things to deal with. If you're not interested, you can like my business channel. I was watching Tati, Life as Tati, yeah. Tati and I like your vlog channel. Not you. I know you. She named Tati too. Tati, I like your vlog channel and maybe we can do one of their link up there like how you are two link up or the link up with Melica Skylife and thing. Yes. So a Chabba star. I don't know, I always say it. For me I was Chabba I always say and thing. But if I change up here and sing. No, so I can't take it. I had my past Snapchat. Well, a punky Snapchat me use, so I fear Snapchat we use. So yeah, I can't keep up to date with that and things. But you don't know, keeping it jiggy. I come here this morning, get a big bun, looking clean. Yes. Oh, me did I talk about Marvin this morning. Marvin too outarda. He can't run and a jump and a deal with the people them like them a trash stuff. You know right, me can't sit down here and tell us say right. If you see how they deal with the girl. Other day I made up on YouTube and Marvin me see pop up. Never go to Jamaican dance with Marvin because he's very dangerous. I want to tear up. I said what is yes. Yes, it. From big YouTube. Don't dance with Marvin because oh Jesus, so on there. Yeah, because them a comment here say yes, he's very dangerous. He's like dancing gone to a next level now. I war Marvin a war and I dance my dance. Honestly. What else they talk about when I watch Dirty Berry show this morning? Amari and Gully Bop. Oh, sure. The sick my stomach, but not tell a lie. I never see something sick my stomach yet. Tell me something about Amari. What do you think about Amari?
I think she's crap.
Me don't want she come cuss me about. She just thinks like she's this popular person and as she bring off Gully Bop and Gully Bop look like them crooked. They like he look like this madman. Me don't know. Me don't know Amari think she wake up, oh good morning fans. That's what is. Oh, what a big girl here. Where she come from? And which door she fit through?
A big chubby here.
She confused me, God no. When I say Amari and Gully Bop, I'm confused. I don't understand them. What else you talk about? Lincoln Tree that and Prince Money. I'm not telling a lie. Lincoln, yeah, the realest thing. I follow you up on Snapchat. But them party there though. Them party there. Anyways, I'm not going to come on. But yes. You need to tell Chabba say you need to give you an update on what is going on. We are his loyal subscribers and we look out for his stuff every day or every week. Somebody please talk to him because it's getting very serious. It's bleak, you know, rainfall yesterday. I say give a joke yesterday after I'm in the taxi because I don't have my father now as I say. But then in a car and before I go in and people them car, I say to the driver, you're going to the scheme. Yes. After man reach a square, Mr. Scheme driver, I'm not going to the scheme. I said, what the hell? I said, look here, Jesus, this is a trouble to set up like a rain. Eh? Anyways, he bust out a laugh and just scare me I go cause. I couldn't take a problem. And then see if my grandmother go at them, then too out harder. And if you care about your woman go at them. Yes. After a woman I look for a big rammy them. See if the woman go at them. I know say she had tear right up right now. Because she love her go at them. No mind she ball. Because I'm not over my house now. I have to go ask Spunky if she wanna cry. Auntie. So I go on easy for my lunchtime. I shine like. So what's the shiny? I go on easy for my lunchtime. So peace out, Melica Skylife. Up. Way up. Way up. Stay up. Come on. So there you go on ching chang. So I'll see you guys later. If not later, it's gonna be tomorrow morning. You know my routine, walking off the hill. And Melica Skylife. What's up, people? Miss Lynch. We're at a supermarket. No free marketing. Not telling you which supermarket I am. Miss Lynch. Oh, you find me? People them. Say hi to the camera.
How would I?
Say Skylife. Skylife.
Move it.
Say Skylife.
Let me see. Mama, me too black for this man.
Come on, so you can see there.
No,
there's
God,
two
so
colors.
me too fat.
Then look how me black and shine.
Oh man, you look.
Skylife TV. Peace. What's trying to do stuff them? So, there's a supermarket. I got my yard, but rain and fall. Come buy something to drink.
I'm not. They home me now.
It's not nobody.
See me as well. I like.
Yeah. Country people then.
I'm under that. Oh, this I am. Well,
I don't know nobody. I mean, I want video of me before. I'm a vlogger, guys. You know what vlogging?
I don't know. Make sure I not see myself on YouTube.
Yes. Follow channel.
On Facebook.
So Skylife TV.
Skylife TV.
Miss Lynch, Skylife TV. Anyways, maybe I gotta catch this stuff here. I'll go over business. So I'll see you later. That's a woman there. The lady just moved with her trolley. So funny. Jamaicans are not used to vlogging or vloggers. What I say go? How on here go so long ago? Shine bad man. Yeah. So the lady just moved with her trolley like she was a ranty. You know what the bandits are. I think my bun look like a piece of. Ready to go, guys.